got the Beyblade X launcher holster. Got two of them. There we go, and now I gotta print the clips. And now we got the clips here. Alright guys, so we got a couple Beyblade X launchers. There we go. I have a couple friends that do Beyblade tournaments, and one of them asked me if I could print them some holsters for their Beyblades. So I'm like, alright, sure. You know, make a video out of it, why not? So I bought a Beyblade and a launcher just to try it out earlier today. And yeah, it looks like it should work. Let's see here. Oh, there we go. So it works, and it's pretty cool. If you're interested in Beyblade, I'll link the model down in the description if you want to print yourself a holster. Fancy little holster to cart around your Beyblade launcher. And yeah, like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and thank you for watching.